the three competition houses. So the black helmet, the colours. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Hi there. Good. Knife and fork. If you want a tray, then your plate. So please. Get it under there. Thank you. Do you want a cold drink or water or? Sorry. This one? Cold. Or milk if you want it. Should we sit at the table behind? I'll get those Korean boys to come and sit with us. How old until they only eat grass? When you get the big sheep that's been bottle fed, they come. They see a person and they come. Yeah, they never forget. They want the bottle. You're getting to feed it today. You're the expert.
He's great.
Oh, here comes the sheep. This is exciting. Should we get? Oh, God.